Alright, Johnny. Where are we going? Oh, this way.
We began our journey in Peru with a simple plan. By whatever means possible, head south.
After you. Help. Ethan! No! Help! You're gonna do this yourself, Johnny.
Okay. I'm gonna get stuck on my back. Alright.
You just grew a little on the inside.
Alright, maybe not.
Gotta say a little louder.
Yeah. Alright, so we managed to hitch a ride in the back of a truck. Not bad. We have no idea where we're going. Not a single clue where we are. It's going. We got dropped off at this small fishing town in the middle of nowhere. Our phones are dead. We have no map. We have Ritz crackers. Or Ritz cracker ripoff, rather.
We actually ate the Ritz crackers.
We ate those. Hola. I don't think there's help. So we just pitched our tents somewhere out in the desert. So we're gonna sleep here for the night, see what happens. Well, you know what they say. Never go to bed in the desert without eating sardines first. Just documenting. How's it going in there?
Doing well.
Alright. Yeah, let's hope these sardines don't attract a puma. It would be rather unfortunate. It's gonna be a good night. It'll be a fun night.
The morning had arrived, and we discovered that we had pitched our tents in an almost Martian-like landscape. We couldn't dilly-dally for too long. It was time for us to find an alternate method of transportation.
Just doing some sailing in Peru.
Come across over 60 dead seals, a couple live ones, mostly just babies. There's a dead one right over there. We talked to a guy on the beach. He said he pointed out and said it was the fishing, that it's overfishing, which makes sense. We've seen pelicans scavenging, as well as some dead ones. Most of the seals that are left are babies. One of the most horrifying things I've seen in my life.
The condition of the sea lion population was depressing, to say the least. We could only hope that the remaining babies would survive.